Hello बच्चों, so let's read this question. Which one of the following is not applicable to the phenomena of adsorption? A. Delta H is greater than 0, delta G is less than 0, C. Delta S is less than 0, delta H is less than 0. तो हमें पता है delta H is change in enthalpy, delta G is free Gibbs free energy change, and delta S is change in entropy. So let us write the key concept of the question and try to understand what is adsorption. The accumulation of molecular species at the surface rather than in the bulk of a solid or liquid is termed as adsorption. Now let us talk about the question. So during adsorption, there is always a decrease in residual forces of the surface. Therefore, is invariably an exothermic process. In other words, delta H of adsorption is always negative. जब हमें पता है कोई चीज अगर एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस होती है तो उसका डेल्टा एच इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव इन पोलैरिटी, इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. तो अगर हम डेल्टा एच की बात करें, सो इट विल बी लेस देन 0 बिकॉज इट इज नेगेटिव. डेल्टा एच इज नेगेटिव. तो हमारा ये वाला ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट हो गया क्योंकि वी हैव टू टेल विच इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल, and this wala option will be the right answer to the question. Now let us discuss furthermore about the other options that are given to us. डेल्टा जी और डेल्टा एस के बारे में हम डिस्कस करते हैं. तो when a gas is absorbed, the freedom of movement of its molecules become restricted. This amounts to decrease in the entropy of the gas. After adsorption. So we can say change in entropy, which is delta H, delta S is negative. तो इसमें भी हम कह सकते हैं that a delta S is less than 0 because delta S is negative. Now let us see the options. So हमारा delta S is negative is also eliminated because it is an applicable to the phenomena of adsorption. Now let us talk about Gibbs free energy change, which is delta G. Adsorption is accompanied by the decrease in enthalpy as well as entropy. हमने अभी अभी देखा दैट जो हमारा एब्जॉर्प्शन होता है उसमें दोनों में एंथैल्पी एंड एंट्रोपी में डिक्रीज ही आता है एंड एंट्रोपी ऑफ द सिस्टम. For a process to be spontaneous, the thermodynamic requirement, हमें पता है जो spontaneous process होता है उसका जो डेल्टा जी होता है it is negative. The thermodynamic requirement at constant temperature and pressure so delta G must be negative. तो अगर हम देखें delta G is less than 0, so delta G for delta G to be negative. तो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर बी भी एलिमिनेट हो गया. तो हमारा option number A is the right answer. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.